NeoCon is the greatest trade show in the office furniture industry.
It's by far the biggest show in North America, and everyone realizes that this is where you come to show your best stuff.
To hit 50 years and still have the kind of attendance that it has is amazing.
And it's so uplifting to be around a bunch of people that really care about design as much as you do.
Design is not a sterile profession. It doesn't happen in a vacuum. Design is about human beings, and NeoCon is populated by human beings and their energy.
It's an event. There's a ton of parties, there's a ton of gatherings and lectures, symposia.
NeoCon is this very sensorial experience because designers are very tactile. There are a lot of things to touch while you're here.
The amount of product that you see from the manufacturers, the level of that product, but also the sheer magnitude of the number of people focusing in on the conversation, it is overwhelming.
Of course, on the busy years when you're fighting to get to the elevator, that's pretty exciting. You're like, oh my God, I have a talk in 5 minutes. Could I just get up? I'm going to be late.
I've tracked myself at NeoCons on a Fitbit or on my iPhone, and I find myself walking 14 miles in a day.
That to me is what NeoCon's all about. It's reconnecting with old friends and making some new ones along the way. The merchandise mart is really part of the spirit of this show. I've not missed a year in 20 years.
Are you ready for this? This is my 35th NeoCon.
That's great. How does that feel?
Old. And hopefully experienced.
I recall coming when I was in college, actually. It was, one of those things that your eyes are so bright because you can't imagine all the things that are here. Some of those people that I met when I first came were also kids, and we were all trying to figure out the industry. And they've grown up to be principals in other firms. It's part of a family, it feels like.
I have milestones that I celebrate at NeoCon as well.
I think I come away from visiting this definitely recharged.
There's so much to feed the brain, but the human side, the connections of the community and the people, it feeds the soul as well.
I guess I couldn't even imagine the industry without NeoCon.
The fact that it's still vibrant and it's still relevant tells you that the industry must be vibrant and relevant.
50 years for NeoCon is a little bit of that moment in time.
It has so tracked the progress of this industry.
If you can do that as you hit 50, then there's every reason you could do it as you hit 100 or beyond.